For those who don't know me, my name is Shimrit Braun Kamin. I'm the Associate Director of the New Israel Fund here in the Bay Area. And I'm so grateful to be a part of the special group who organized this vigil. If you're a part of this organizing team, please raise your hand so everyone can acknowledge. Thank you so much for everyone. It's a true team effort. It's been another extremely painful and stressful and heartbreaking week. Another week of horrific destruction, hunger, and death in Gaza. A week of continued terror of settlers and IDF soldiers towards Palestinians in the West Bank. Another week of continued war and continued furious behavior of the Israeli extreme right-wing government, who refuses to sign a deal to release the hostages, keep neglecting hundreds of thousands of displaced citizens from the south and the north, and keeps promoting a dystopian future that will lead Israel to be a theocracy and a messianic state. We've seen terrible police brutality yesterday in the protest against the government and against the families of the hostages and some people who released from being hostages in Gaza. Shame on Netanyahu's government. Busha. I personally keep moving from feeling of helplessness and sleepless nights because everything seems so dark right now. And this is why this space is so important. We want to bring hope. We are here to say there is another way. We choose the way of life, the way of dialogue, the way of conflict resolution. We won't let the ones who want us to live on the sword to win. Last time I spoke here a few weeks ago, I told you how I returned from Israel and saw the protest against the Israeli government awakening. And in this weekend, we saw it growing and expanding, and the rage from the continued war, the lack of hostage deal, and no horizon is growing. And also the anti-occupation bloc, our dear friends in Israel, returned to protest in full power, and we are here to support them. By standing here today, we want them to know that they are not alone. We believe that our community has the power to make a change, that you have the power to make a change. We are here because we believe in peace, equality, coexistence, and working together to give this voice a space that will hopefully grow and expand. And I want to do a little exercise with all of you here. Can you raise your hand? Tell me if any of you got into an unpleasant conversation around Israel and Gaza with your family and friends. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you feel in recent days that you are a minority because how you're thinking about the conflict. I know, it's not easy, but we have a role here. We must keep talking and not let others silence us. And look around you. You are not alone. We are not alone. So let's feel the power of our community and call together. There is no victory when people keep dying. Cease fire now. There is no victory without the safe return of all hostages. Bring them home now.
Bring them home now.
There is no victory without equality, safety, and freedom for everyone. The only solution is peace.